a blind delegation, yeah. And we never heard of how power we're bulletproof. And we never heard of Eisenhower missile power, justice, the truth. Where's the Department of You? Your new Department of You. Where's the Department of You? Just me and youth. We talk about this whole stupid world and still come out laughing. We never made any sense, man, but that never mattered. But we'll make it to a blackest hour. We're living proof. And we never heard of Bailey Sunday Gaines, Rascals, man, there's a code. We're the Department of Youth. Your new Department of You. We're the Department of You. Just me and